I'm so happy.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
To my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. I am opening my package that I got and I am so excited. I know it's a weird place to film a video, but it's so dark outside and this is where the best light is, in the bathroom. I must apologise for what I'm looking like right now. I'm in the middle of moving and the baby was awake most of the night last night and I'm absolutely exhausted. So today, like I said, I am going to be opening my package that I have received from Sina. I will leave her channel down below and also in one of the cards. I'll put it in the card. And also I will put links to her website, and she has a channel as well for her business. SinaWorldwide.com is the name of her website. So she makes all sorts of different items and I'm going to show you what I've got here. I also won a giveaway, so that should be in here as well. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Warning, gorgeous items inside Sina Worldwide. How nice is that? That is so cool. You can see the excitement. Here is the first item that I bought, and she had a sale on, so 30% off. We were messaging really late at night because we're both night owls, and I was like, oh, there's too many nice items and I don't know which one to get, so she was helping me and she said that the red would suit me. So MUMLIFE. Yeah, what do you think? This is really nice, so I'll try that on in a minute. So yeah, you can get a MOMLIFE one instead of the MUMLIFE if you are from America. So this is the jumper. I really like the colour. What do you think? It's nice and cozy. I really like it. And then I got the t-shirt, a MUMLIFE t-shirt. I just could not, I really liked the t-shirt and I saw the jumper and I was like, oh, I couldn't make my mind up. So I just said, you know what, I'm gonna get both. But they have really cute jumpers where you can get like a mum one and one for your child as well, which is awesome. So yeah, so this is the MUMLIFE one and it's 100% cotton. I love cotton, so I really like that one. I can't wait to try that on. Oh my word, this, I love it. I think it's so nice and it's so soft. I saw on the website that it's tight, so I'm definitely going to do that. Love it, really love it. And then at my giveaway prize, I won this. How awesome is that? So I'm going to have to take pictures of this. Oh my goodness, how amazing is that? I did not expect that. She never told me about this. This is the best surprise ever. Look at that. How cool is that? Oh, thank you so much. I am so happy with that. Oh, wow. What a nice surprise. So I said before, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave it down below, but it's the Multicultural Family because it's kind of like a family Instagram page. Love it. Really love it. So happy, really happy. So I'm going to take some pictures now, get these on Instagram. Thank you so much, Sina. Sina's a mum of 3 and she lives in London and she is so creative. She has her own business, creating t-shirts and jumpers and pouches, all sorts of different things. I will link the website and also her business channel down below. She's making a video today and she's going to be sharing more on her business, and she has a really good video which I will link above, and it's showing her workspace, and her beautiful little daughter makes an appearance as well. So I got another little surprise. I didn't even see this in the bag. It says, "Thank you so much for your order, Simone. You are supporting a mother of 3 and my small business. Greatly appreciated. Much love, Sina." I'm really happy with all of my items. I've just been on Instagram taking some pictures of them, and I'll try and put them like somewhere around here for you to see. I was with Micah on one of them, and yeah, I'm really blown away, and I'm gonna leave the website, but there's a website, so it's www.sinaworldwide.com, and I will put all the links and everything below. I feel like it's really important to support other mothers and small businesses, and obviously there's lots of different websites out there that are selling different jumpers with different slogans and whatnot, but I really love this. I love how creative Sina is, and if I can support another mum, then I am going to do it definitely every single time. So I'm going to be checking out your website again, Sina, and I will be ordering again in the future. And yeah, I'm just really blown away, and I just love the attention to detail. You can see that a lot of love has gone into these items. I just feel like it's so nice to be able to support someone in their endeavours, and I know how passionate she is about a business, and I just hope, well, I don't even need to hope, I think you're going to be so successful in this, and I'm excited to see your journey on YouTube and also be back to order more items. So thanks very much, Sina. Please go and check her out and show her some love. So I thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would really love it if you could subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So please check out her channel, and if you do go over, please tell her that I said hi. Not tell her that I said hi. Please tell her that I sent you over. So yeah.